Hi guys, welcome back to another video on Hirat's Kitchen. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make this authentic sobolo, and you can even make this as your side hustle, okay? So keep on watching this video as I take you through the process. In my pot, I will add some pineapple peel, and I peeled it off the camera. So I will add the pineapple peels. Next, I will add my well-washed sobolo leaves or sorrel leaves, and then I will add some crushed ginger. If you want it to be really spicy, then you need to add more ginger. Next, I will add some cloves, and you can crush them as well, but I just added them. And then I will add some dried chili. And then I will add enough water to cover everything properly. And my next ingredient is lemongrass, and if you want your flavor to be beyond borders, then add this to your sobolo. It has loads of benefits. It detoxifies, it also lowers your blood pressure, boosts your oral health, and it also has anti-cancer properties, okay, and many more. So I will cover it and allow it to cook on medium heat for 20 to 30 minutes so all the juices are extracted from the leaves, okay? So after 20 minutes, this is it, and I am going to give it a quick stir and then allow it to simmer for 10 minutes. Then we are done. Just see the sobolo. The color alone is refreshing. Wow, just see. Make some sobolo this weekend and enjoy, okay? So after stirring, I will cover it and allow it to simmer for a while, and then we are done. So after 10 minutes, I am going to allow it to cool down completely before I strain it using a sieve. So I will do it small because it is not cooled down yet. Because of the video, I have to do everything fast so I can do another thing. So next, I am going to add my pineapple juice, and here you can skip the pineapple juice if you are not okay, and you can add any sweetener of choice. I didn't add any sweetener, just like this was perfect. So I will give it a stir once again, and then you can store this in an airtight bottle, or you can just tie it with a rubber or nylon. So I have my small bottles here, and I am going to fill them with the sobolo, and then I will refrigerate it. But if you don't want it to be cool, you can just drink it like this, and it was so on point. The aroma of the sobolo was heavenly because of the lemongrass. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video to your friends, family, for my videos to get to wider audiences. Thank you so much in advance for doing that, and please don't forget to follow me on other social media platforms as Hirat's Kitchen, and I will be leaving the links to them in the description box. Please try your best and try my recipes, okay? And let me know the outcome in the comment section. I also have a different recipe on how to make the sobolo rice on my channel, and you can check it out, okay? So guys, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I love you. See you in the next one. Bye.